Morning guys, so today is a new day. It is December 30th, which means tomorrow is the last day of 2021. That is actually insane. I literally cannot believe that. Like, what the heck? But anyways, in today's video, I kind of just want to clean up things, like clean my room, get things done, just because the new year is right around the corner and I want to start off the year fresh start. Like, I want to reach all my goals, so to do that I need to like clean up everything. I kind of want to take down my Christmas tree today since Christmas is already over, and just like change out my sheets, laundry. I'm also going on a trip on January 1st, so stay tuned for a vlog on my vlog channel and probably on here too, because my birthday is on December 31st, so we're going to celebrate my birthday as well, because if you guys didn't know, my birthday is on New Year's. Anyways, I look like a mess right now. I have like the night spa serum on my hair right now, so I kind of like need to take a shower, but before that I'm just going to go eat breakfast. Yeah, also towards the end of the video I'm gonna be giving tips on how to start off the year great, like just 2 main things that I think that you guys should do to start off the year great, to reach all your goals for the upcoming year. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be like kind of just like a sit down where I just talk about it. So yeah, my voice sounds really raspy right now. I'm gonna stop talking. This is gross. I need to take a shower, brush my teeth. Anyways, let's get up. Let's get this day started. Look at this. I look like a mess. Looking like a summer breakfast. I love it. I love summer. Even though we're still in winter, I love summer. Okay, this looks so good. I love eating fruits. My to-go-to for breakfast is either cereal or avocado toast, which you guys know I'm obsessed with avocado toast, but today I'm just feeling some strawberries and blueberries and then a yogurt, which this one has like 12 grams of protein. It's really, really good. I definitely recommend it. Love it. I'm gonna eat this a little bit and I'm gonna listen to the podcast. I'm going to take down my tree. I'm gonna go look for the box so that I can take it down. Got this. Oh! Okay. Got the box. I'm gonna take down the ornaments real quick. I forgot I need the box. Oh god. That's good enough. What do you guys think? I think that's the best it's gonna get. I think what I'm gonna do now is put this mirror over there because there's obviously nothing over there and it looks weird. There's the mirror. What do we think? Is it better here or is it better right there? Now it looks boring right there. But there's also more space for me to walk into my closet. But I also like it right here. What I've been doing is I've just been on my laptop on Pinterest and YouTube just looking for inspo for this year and the interview with other people. I just forgot I had makeup. Okay, whoops. I'll update you guys when I am putting my sheets on my bed. Alright guys, so right now it is currently like 7 p.m. and let me tell you why. Because I took pictures for my Instagram. Here are the pictures. I mean, go follow my Instagram if you want. The day I'm uploading this is gonna be my birthday because I'm filming this the day before I'm uploading this. I'm gonna stop moving my hands. So I'm filming this the day before my birthday and I'm uploading this on my birthday. So you should definitely go check out my Instagram because I have pictures up on there for my birthday. So it's weird that I'm saying this right now because I'm filming it before my birthday. So as you guys can tell, my bed is unmade. I haven't done anything. Like I haven't put the sheets, nothing. Basically what I'm going to do now is put the sheets up and then I'm going to talk a little bit with you guys about this upcoming year, just like giving you guys tips on how to start this year fresh on a good note. And so I'm just going to sit down on my bed and talk to you guys for a little bit and then end the vlog there. I'm done. Alright, so now I'm going to give you guys two major things that you guys should do to start off the year on a good note. These are two things that I do every year. So I just wanted to share it to help you guys out. And then there's another little tip that I literally showed in this video. First thing is to write down your goals on a journal, which is basically resolutions. Write down anything that you want to achieve this upcoming year because it's a new year. You can achieve more goals. And if you didn't set goals or you didn't achieve those goals that you wanted to achieve this year, 2021, then achieve them in 2022 by writing them down and then deciding where to start off. Like, where do you start off? I do this every year. I write this down in a diary. I have my diary. I've had it since 5th grade. This is my diary. It's all you need. It literally says all you need is love, and I've had this journal since 5th grade. Basically what I do in this is I write down anything that I'm feeling. So for example, today I had a good day, I got things done. I would write down everything that I did today, feelings, or if there's like any updates that I have had in the past few days. And this is why I've had this diary since 5th grade, because I forget. Like I do write every year. Like I have not forgotten to write one year. Like I've always written in this, which is crazy to me. But I definitely recommend starting off the year with getting a diary and writing down everything so that you can look back at. And then also start off by writing your goals, doing a resolution page. And this is what I did last year. So also another thing I do is I write down the date on the bottom. So in 2019, going into 2020, I wrote down my recap for 2019. So I wrote down every month what happened, like through the things that sticked out the most to me, the things that I accomplished. So in January of 2019, I started off the year in New York and I was like, I wrote down, so grateful. I hit 1,000 subs on YouTube, which now we have 600K. And then I wrote down for February, March, April. I'm probably gonna be doing this year again because I did this in 2020 as well. And then after the recap, I wrote down my resolutions and goals that I wanted to achieve. So I wanted to hit 500K on YouTube in 2020 and I didn't. I actually achieved that in 2021, which is okay. Like there's gonna be some goals, as you guys can tell. Like there's gonna be some things that you're not gonna achieve, and that's okay. Like everything happens for a reason, obviously. And there were other things that I achieved. Like I started driving, I got my permit in 2020. So like this is just really good to look back at, and definitely recommend getting a diary. You can get a diary from like anywhere, Target, whatever. I don't know where I got mine. I wish I could tell you guys. I got it when I was in 5th grade, so I don't know. I wasn't into shopping or anything like that. I just
I don't even remember who gave me this. I think I stole it from downstairs. That's the first tip I could give you guys. Another little tip that I wanted to give you guys is to clean up your room before going into 2022. And that is what I showed in this video, is just me cleaning my room, taking out my old sheet, cleaning the floors. Yeah, just cleaning up your house. If you have a house, clean it up. Like literally just clean everything and just start off fresh, because if you have goals for the year, you're not going to achieve them if you're starting off with a room with a mess. That did not make sense. I did not put the words here. Anyways, I'm literally so tired. It's 9 p.m. actually. I don't know why I said it was 7 p.m. I thought it was 7 p.m. My first vlog of the year, my first upload is probably going to be on my vlog channel. So definitely go subscribe to that channel. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here. This is my last video for 2021. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.